Today we have a 2024 C8 Z06 that we are testing before and after a Eventuri high flow air intake system. We're going to baseline this car as is. It is completely stock with the exception of a lot of suspension modifications. We'll get a good baseline on this car. We'll install the Eventuri high flow air intake system and then get some dyno results after. All testing is done on the dyno. Baseline dyno test shows 598 rear wheel horsepower and 423 peak foot-pounds of rear wheel torque. We'll now proceed to install the Eventuri air intake system. Took us about an hour and a half to install it. We sped up the video to show you all the steps it took to install this air intake system on this C8 Z06. The installation is complete and we are now going to dyno test it after the air intake is installed to see what gains we get. Our testing after the air intake was installed has yielded a pretty good gain. We saw up to 611 wheel horsepower and over 440 pound-feet of torque to the wheels. The gain at the top is about 10 wheel, but there is a lot more to be had area under the curve. There's about 16 wheel horsepower at certain intervals